Unlocking the secrets of Workshop Essentials. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into an interesting and practical topic, workshop essentials. Whether you're a budding craftsman, a DIY enthusiast, or simply curious about the English language, understanding this phrase will add a valuable piece to your linguistic toolbox. Let's explore what makes up the essentials of a workshop and why they're important. Workshop refers to a space or environment where people engage in hands-on work, such as crafting, repairing, or building. It's a place of creativity and production, where tools and materials come together in the creation process. The word essentials speaks to the items or components that are absolutely necessary for the task at hand. In the context of a workshop, these are the tools, equipment, and supplies you can't operate without. Combining the two, workshop essentials are the fundamental tools and materials needed to effectively work in a workshop setting. These essentials vary depending on the type of work being done, but generally include items like hammers, screwdrivers, saws, and measuring tools for a basic setup. Understanding workshop essentials is crucial for several reasons. 1. Preparation. Knowing what you need before starting a project ensures you're prepared and can work efficiently. 2. Safety. Using the right tools for the job is vital for safety in the workshop. The essentials include safety gear like goggles and gloves. 3. Skill development. Learning about workshop essentials is a step towards mastering various crafts and trades, enriching your skill set and confidence in hands-on work. Let's briefly outline some common workshop essentials across different fields. General carpentry: hammer, saw, measuring tape, screwdriver, and sandpaper. Electronics repair: soldering iron, wire cutters, multimeter, and insulation tape. Art and crafting: scissors, glue, paintbrushes, and canvas or paper. This section can be a great opportunity to introduce vocabulary related to tools and materials, enhancing your English language skills in a practical context. Understanding workshop essentials not only enriches your English vocabulary but also opens the door to exploring various hobbies and crafts. Whether you're discussing a project, planning your own workshop, or simply learning about different trades, knowing these essentials is invaluable. We hope this video has shed some light on the topic and sparked your interest in further exploring the English language. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to our next learning adventure together.